this time.
Sweet. Wow, that's really loud.
It's a good damn jet engine taking on.
That little white thing in the corner is an electric teapot, and we're using that to make coffee because Steven broke the coffee maker.
I don't have polarized outlets here. What am I going to do?
But this is day 2. What is it? That
Does it go this way or this way?
I don't know.
It goes this way.
Okay, you plugged it in the other way? Oh. But
Brilliant.
that might break it. He blew all the breakers in the apartment. So, we're up at 5 in the morning because we're still on America time. And as you can see, it's still very dark outside. But way over there, that's the Mediterranean. There's a highway. There's the pool. The pool is a really weird shape. I'm still trying to figure out what they were trying to do there. But there's apparently a hot tub.